Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardeners. So in front of you have two Hypertufa pots. Hypertufa pots are basically made out of coco peat, cement and perlite. So this is the grey one. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's yet to cure. I have just unmolded it. So it's a little bit darker in color because it's not completely cured. Though it's very strong, but it's not completely cured until it gets a little bit more of a lighter color. Now the blunder that I made was with this white Hypertufa pot. Basically I had used white cement for this, and this one had the grey cement. Now the issue is over here. Now what happened is, because it was raining while I was making this Hypertufa pot and I didn't want the water to come in, so when it was inside the container, what I did is, by mistake, I turned the container, but I had my finger like this inside it while I was turning it. So I didn't realize it because my finger was like this. It kind of pushed all that material to the side. Now unfortunately that material is already hardened up and I can't rectify it because all that while for 48 hours when it was curing, it was upside down, so I could not see it at the edges because that's where the blunder happened. And it's completely cured now. You can see this. It's completely cured. It's very hard, so it is not going to get rectified. This part is also hardened up, as you can see. So for every problem we have a solution. Of course I'm not going to throw this pot away because I've put in a lot of efforts and a lot of resources. As you all know, I don't waste things. Probably another person would have broken this, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is, I will be using this pot for my Haworthia elegans Mexican snowball. I have a couple of them, so I wanted to plant all of them together because I'm going to keep this pot in indirect but bright light. So I have the biggest piece over here. So what I'm going to do is, you can see this bend mark. I'm going to place the larger succulent towards the edge like this. So you can see it is not going to be visible. That bend is not going to be visible. So we are going to cover it up with a larger succulent. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fill in the soil. I'll start filling in everything and I'm going to show you how the final result tends to look like. So here we go. We have filled in our soil mix. So I'm going to first put the large succulent where we have the dent. Fantastic. So you can see the dent is hidden up. Then I will slowly start putting in the larger succulent. Now maybe all of the succulents might not fit, but we will try to fit in as many. I don't want to make it very congested because these are Haworthias. They tend to kind of spread horizontally, so I do not want to, make it very compact. Here I have another cutting. They already have a good set of roots, so I'm going to put this one over here. This one also has a good amount of roots. This was also a cutting. I'm going to place it here, and I think we are kind of filling in too much, so I don't want to make it very congested. I thought I will be adding in all of these as well, but looks like it's going to be a little bit too much, so I don't want to make it too compact. Probably I can add a small tiny ones in the front, and that is going to be it. I'm not going to add any more. I think this already looks a little bit fuller, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So now I know it doesn't look that great, but I didn't want to make an arrangement. I just wanted to put in as many as I could, at the same time not making it very congested. So I still have few of them. Probably I'll put them in some other pot, but in this pot I will not overcrowd them anymore. It is going to take at least a month for them to kind of get a little bit more compact. It is going to be kept in indirect bright light. Watering is not going to be done now. Probably after let's say a week or so, depending. As of now, they are just going to be resting for another couple of weeks. Anyways, we do not expose our elegans Mexican snowball to direct sunlight, so they will be resting in indirect but bright light. So probably after a month, maybe 2 months, I will definitely give you an update of this beautiful arrangement. So as you can see, the dent is no longer visible. The larger succulent is kind of covering it up. and overall the arrangement looks very beautiful. So I'm just waiting for it to settle down, and because some of them have stretched because of lack of light, but once I start offering them a good amount of indirect bright light, they will start getting compact. And as I said, I will definitely make an update video on this arrangement very soon. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.